Hey there, so let's talk about the problem you might be facing if you just switched over to Windows 11. You see, on Windows 10, it was super easy to show your desktop by right-clicking the taskbar and selecting Show Desktop. But on Windows 11, that option seems to have disappeared, right? Frustrating, I know. You've tried searching on Google, but all you keep finding is how to show the desktop by clicking on the bottom right corner. Well, don't worry. There might be a solution to this problem after all. Solution? Sort of. You can actually right-click on the Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen and select Desktop. It's not exactly the same as before, but hey, it's a way to quickly access your desktop without having to fumble around. Check out the image in the link provided to see where you need to right-click. In summary, if you're missing the convenience of showing your desktop with just a right-click on the taskbar in Windows 11, fret not. By simply right-clicking on the Start button and selecting Desktop, you can still achieve a similar result. Hope this solution helps you navigate your way through Windows 11 more smoothly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or any tech dilemmas you'd like me to tackle next. Stay tech-savvy, folks.